Easily streamline your workflows by connecting Ecwid with Sangam CRM. With this setup, any new customer in a Ecwid automatically becomes a lead in Sangam CRM. It's a simple, efficient way to keep track of customers and ensure that they are a part of your CRM. Getting started with viaSocket is super simple. Visit to the official website of viaSocket, link to which is in the description box, and sign in using your Google account. Choose a workspace if you have one, else create a new in seconds and then click on Create New Flow button. We will begin by selecting the trigger first. A trigger is what sets your flow in action. For this, select an app first. Here I am choosing Ecwid. Now in Ecwid, I will choose New Customer Created. This will trigger the flow every time there is a new customer. Choose a schedule timing. Now connect to Ecwid. Once the connection is done, give your connection a name. Here you can add in filters if you want one or leave it blank if you don't need any. Now click on the test button. This will test the trigger and will generate a sample response. This sample response will help you in setting up your lead in Sangam CRM in the steps section. Now in the step, choose Sangam CRM as application. Here choose the action of create new lead. With a few simple clicks, you can create a connection between viaSocket and Sangam CRM. Here are the details that you would require to fill. I already have one connection built in, so I'm using that. Now, select the fields with which you want your lead to be created. I'm choosing only 3 fields because I have used only 3 fields in the customer. Now to map the dynamic data, make use of that small plus button on the right. In the body, you will get all the data that has been generated in the sample response from the trigger. Click on the details or the fields that you would like to map. Once that's done, click on the test button to verify the step. Click on the create button to save the action. Now give your flow a nice name or else our AI will do it for you. To release the flow in real world, click on the publish button. And that is it. Your flow has been set up. Now we will go to the UI of Ecwid and create a new customer. I will add only the fields that I have mapped in the customers and the lead in Sangam CRM. A customer has been created. Now let's go to viaSocket and check if there's a hit. And here it is. There's one hit in our trigger with the data that we have filled in while creating the customer. Now we'll check the same in Sangam CRM if there's a lead present there. And here it is. You see how simple it is to set up a workflow automation in viaSocket. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more such automation tutorial.